We are a long-term investor. Our investors are looking there for the long-term stable cash flow. So the fundamentals have to be okay. And I agree with Jaap. We have to understand the region and cities to really make a successful investment. The big advantage, I would say, so far from Germany is the huge liquidity you have in the residential market. You have a lot of transactional activity on the selling and on the buying side. Yes, there might be some not so nice portfolios on the market, but still you have a lot of opportunities to buy in the market. If you look at the markets like the UK, there's a lot of political activity for the market, there's a lot of investor interest in the market, but where's the investor product? So the question is, you have the interest, but you don't have the product. So you have to build your own, then you're in a different risk profile, and then it gets tricky. What has to come first, the product or the developer? And that makes it quite a difficulty. If you look at the Nordics, you have, at least in some countries, you have established rental markets. Therefore, at least you have a little bit of history, you have a little bit of liquidity, which is less than what you see in Germany, but at least you have established markets, you have professional players in the rental sector, you have, let's say, investable stock out there, so that is working. So I think it's a combination. You have the underlying fundamentals, it's fine, then you still have to struggle to find the decent stock, and that is the big challenge. I think there is a lot of countries that offer fundamental investment stories. You can look at Spain. You had the story in Ireland, but also in Ireland, we were lucky enough to see that a lot of developers went bust, and so they rented out the stock, and that came to the market for some kind of interesting pricing. So that is some things that are a chance in history that is happening currently that offers opportunities so that the market develops. And I think that is something that's happening in some countries in Europe. We definitely try to take advantage of this as long as we see the fundamentals are medium to long term okay. Otherwise, we wouldn't do that.